thing that Prakash was very particular about, and which is our motto even today, was that we would not compromise on quality. Genuinely interested in people, genuinely interested in what their business is, who their customers are, what is their need, and that he used to go and sit in the shop floor and learn from the people there and exchange ideas and all that. Every time he used to come back from tour, he used to come back and said, we have to change this, we have to alter this, and this is what they want. And not just what the customer says off floor, and learn from that, and then come back and teach us that, no, when you give to this guy, make sure you have this, the sizes of this type, and you do not go wrong with this. Because as I said, there are several things which go into the masala. So that way we, Prakash, interaction with the people, and the way he used to make connect with them, and make them feel important, and not just make them feel important, he really used to care about the customer. So for them, more than meeting the quality standard, satisfying the customer, our first customer always has been our MD. Prakash.
Yes.
But what you need is people who are involved in it. And I guess those people are my biggest strength. So the first time we talked about ISO, the person who came in at, he was a fly-by-night operator, obviously. He said, I can get you ISO within 2 months. Then Prakash said, you can leave, because I do not want ISO just on paper, that, okay, I am an ISO certified person. No, not like that. Because if such a junior employee, a boy who cannot even pronounce the words properly, who doesn't know English at all, is able to explain where each thing is kept, and if his counting tallies with what is there in your accounts, then obviously things are in order.
Because maybe the viewers might also, because if your product is good, that is
Satisfied customer
Yes,
is your visiting card.
exactly.
And the pleasure at the end of the day, that end of the day you have done something, and you have taken care and you of those 45 families, and you've done your job, and you walk out, the peace and the sleep that you get, there is no comparison to that.
Honest.